To mount our nest boxes, we'll need to cut the wire mesh here in this framed area. This is a 4-foot section by 2 foot. The nest box will fit here and the other nest box will fit here. Each coop that we ship out does come with the wire installed. We have a lot of people that use these for turkeys, meat birds, and so we add the wire for extra protection. If you have the nest box option, you can simply cut it out. I use a side cutters, a wire cutters, works very well. It's not difficult at all. I recommend just taking it up to the sides on the bottom here, and you can go the whole way. I usually recommend about 1 foot up, about 12 inches high. Leaves a little bit extra wire if you need it, and then we will mount our nest boxes and show you how they hang on the outside. For the bracket for the nest box, I recommend just making it level with the top bar here. This will make sure you can get, you might be able to get both if you need to move it up to get both holes. Little self-tapper screw will fasten these brackets, and then we will put the nest box in, make sure everything fits. Then we'll take the nest boxes off and put the roof canvas on first, and we'll put the nest boxes on after the roof is on. If you look closely on the canvas, you can see there's a sewn area, a rectangle here. You can cut anywhere inside that line. We recommend cutting inside the whole way around, and that'll open up for the nest box. If you look inside, there's actually a black hem. You can see it quite easily inside. We're going to take a pocket knife, utility knife, a scissors could work, and just simply cut along the inside of that square, cut it out, and then we'll mount our nest box, and we'll be good to go. On the nest boxes here, there are a couple holes along the bottom here. You can actually screw, if you want to run a self-tapper in these holes here, and that'll fasten to the frame. That helps keep it from flopping as much. I'm going to put one on each. You're welcome to put 2 or 3. For this application, we'll just put one here in the middle.